This is a little song about traveling. The room looks cheap. I don't really care. A green blanket on the bed and a broken chair. There's no TV, of course. I told you it's a cheap place. Oh, there is a mirror on the wall. I won't forget my face. But late at night, trying to sleep, so much noise from down in the street. There's two people fucking next to mine. I wish I had a radio playing in here. That would be so fine. Not a hotel song. I think you know by now. I wrote it on my own. Oh, don't you ask me how. Hotel song. I think you know by now. I wrote it on my own. Don't you ask me how. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a look around in my room. Still the same old crummy place. Brush my hair. Pick up my coat, I pick up my bag and make it for the stair. Hotel song. I think you know by now. I wrote it on my own. Oh, don't you ask me how. Another hotel song. I think you know by now. I wrote it on my own. Oh, don't you ask me how. Room service, bring me a glass of champagne. Another glass of champagne.